Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how to fix iPhone X stuck on Apple logo boot loop. If your iPhone X is stuck in the boot loop, meaning it's repeatedly restarts on the Apple logo, you could try a forced restart to fix it without data loss. If that doesn't work, you could also put your iPhone in recovery mode and update it using iTunes or others. So what you want to do is actually quickly press and release the volume up button, immediately press and release the volume down button. Then what you want to do is press and hold the side buttons until the Apple logo appears. Then you want to release the side button when you see the Apple logo and see whether that fixes your issue or not. Likewise, you will also put it onto the charging port for about an hour and see that fixes your issue or not. If the forced restart doesn't work, you could try putting your phone into a recovery mode and updating it using iTunes or Finder. You want to connect your iPhone to a computer with iTunes or Finder on macOS and follow the instructions on your computer to put your iPhone into a recovery mode. On your computer, you actually want to choose the update option instead of restore in iTunes or Finder. This will update your iOS without erasing your data. That will be able to help you out. If the issue still persists on, you actually want to contact the support team and they will be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.